Right, hello YouTube. Alright, well we're finally finished. I just want to show you just the update. This is the engine bay of the Jeep SRT. It's been fully rebuilt as I've been through and showed you. Have the K&N cold air intake system. Need to screw that back on properly. All very nice, working well, no leaks and reliable. We'll just go through. I finished up on the exhaust. Finally got all that sorted. The car tuned itself in. And there you go. I'll call that a finish. And now just enjoy it. No more lifter issues. This has had the underdriven system put on it, so an underdriven balance, pulley system, balancer, new belt, new alternator, water pump, high volume Hellcat oil pump, obviously the upgraded cam, lifters, springs, heads were done, catch can put on there, which is mandatory to pick up the oil that goes back into the inlet manifold. So we've got no puffs of smoke coming out anymore. And yes, very, very happy. Good setup. Sounds awesome. Thank you YouTube. Remember, comment, like and subscribe.